How to transfer all file iPhone to your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra by using cable. For that, you have to go your app store and search here Samsung Smart Switch, these apps. So and same thing, open these apps on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. It's already installed by default. Now open your these apps for both device and receive on this phone. Now select iPhone, and I already connect my USB cable. Let's unplug my cable first, and let's go cable, next, next. Now it's time to insert a cable. First of all, insert your cable this phone, and secondly insert this phone to your iPhone, and once connect, then you can see this kind of pop-up. Open your USB and select connect device. On your select connect device, then you can see this kind of interface. You can scan it or press on next. Now it's connected. Now press on trust, enter your iPhone passcode and press on next. Now as you can see, it's scanning. Now which data you want to transfer? You are connected to S26 Ultra, press on transfer, and if you want, then you can customize those as well. For example, I don't want to message or home setting data. I just want to transfer my document and image, then press on transfer. Now as you can see, you have to enter your code again. Now transferring data, so you have to wait, calculating remaining time. Let's see what happened. As you can see, data is transferring. So that's it. Please thumbs up and do subscribe. Have a good day.